Let's practice words with the short O sound. Ah, 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 ah. On, off. The two F's together still have the sound of one F. So whether it's one F or two, it still says F. Off. The same thing with D. Two D's does not sound any different than one D. Odd, odd. Ah, ba, bob, bob. Bob is a name, so it has a capital letter. Ah, ba, bot, bot. Ah, ba, box, box. I'm going to say a word slowly, and I want you to say it fast. Ot. Say it fast. Ot. Hot. Ot. Ot. Pot. Let's do another one. Job. Say it fast. Job. Job. Ka. Cod. Cod. A cod is a type of fish. Ka. Cop. Cop. A cop is a police officer. Cot. Cot. A cot is a bed that you can fold up and take with you when you go camping. Da. Dog. Dog. Don. This is a name. Dot. I'm going to say a word slowly. You say it fast. Not. Say it fast. Not. Ot. Say it fast. Tot. A tot is a young child. Rob. Fob. Fog. Fox. God. Got. Hog. A hog is a pig. I will say the word slowly. You say it fast. Bot. This bot refers to a computer program that does something. Nod. Nod. Rod. Hot. Job. Jog. To jog means to run slowly. Log. Lot. Mob. Mod. Mop. Nod. I'm going to say a word. Then I want you to drop the first sound in the word and change it for a new sound. Our first word is pot. Get rid of the p sound and replace it with b. Pot becomes bot. Our next word is hot. Get rid of the sound and replace it with k. Hot becomes cot. Let's try another word. Our word is pop. Replace the p at the beginning of the word with b. Pop becomes bop. Our next word is not. Replace the n with h. Not becomes hot. N, na, not, not. P, pa, pod, pod. Pa, pop, pop. Pa, pot, pot. Rob, rob. To rob means to steal. Rod, rod. I'm going to say a word. I want you to drop the last sound of the word and replace it with a new sound. Our word is pot. Get rid of the t and replace it with d. Pot becomes pod. Our next word is lot. Get rid of the t and replace it with g. Lot becomes log. Now try the word dot. Get rid of the t and replace it with n. Dot becomes the name Don. Our final word is mop. Get rid of the p and replace it with m. Mop becomes mom. Rot, rot. Sob. To sob means to cry. Top. Let's review our short A, E, and I sounds. A, I, ah. P, at, pat. P, at, pet. P, it, pit. P, at, pot. At, lat. At, let. It, lit. Lot, lot. Pat, pet, pit, pot. Lat is short for a muscle in your back. Let, lit, lot. Add, rad. Ed, red. Id, rid. Odd, rod. Rad, red, rid, rod. Ag, bag. Egg, beg. Ig, big. Bog, bog. Bag, beg, big, bog.